Illiad is another interlibrary loan service available to San Jose State patrons. It's a much broader service, and you can request books, articles, and media, any other material from libraries across the world. So I've come across this record in OneSearch. It doesn't look like we have it available at San Jose State, but I am able to make a request through Illiad. So what I would do is go ahead and click this button. That's going to take you to your Illiad login page. If you've never logged into Illiad before, you're going to go ahead and click the first time user page. Agree to the conditions, and then fill this out. Once you've made a new account, you're going to go ahead and make a request through Illiad. So for the sake of this, I'll show you what my account looks like. So I have an Illiad account now. All the information from this page has been grabbed and taken over to this page. So all I need to do is say submit request. And my request has been submitted. Let's say you know of a title that you're seeking, but you don't find it on OneSearch, and you want to make an Illiad request. Another way to make an Illiad request is to go just directly to the login page. Again, if you're a first-time user, you're going to set up your account, but if not, you're just going to log in. It shows you all the pending requests you have on the home page, but you can go ahead and make a request on this side. You can make an article, book chapter, conference paper. Let's say I want to make a book request. I have to fill out all this material and click request. And that is how you use Illiad.